Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. Hello everyone. Are you wondering how long it takes for a check to be deposited into your Cash App account? In this video, we will break it down for you in simple words. We'll tell you what Cash App officially says and what users are really experiencing. So, if you've recently deposited a check and are waiting for the money, this video will give you all the answers you need. Normally, it takes around 2 to 3 days for a check to be deposited into Cash App using the mobile check deposit feature. But let's take a look at what Cash App's official website says about it. We are now on the article about Cash App's mobile check deposit. As we scroll down, we can see details about what types of checks can be deposited here. The website also explains how to use the mobile check deposit feature. If you prefer to understand it through a video, we've created a separate step-by-step video for that process. You'll find the link in the description below. Then, as we scroll further, you'll see an option called Funds Availability. This section tells us how long it usually takes for a check to be deposited into Cash App. It says, generally, checks are funded in up to 6 business days, though many are funded sooner. In limited cases, funding may take up to 8 business days. Business days exclude weekends and bank holidays. So, friends, while the official website mentions a time frame of 6 to 8 business days, normally, if there are no issues, the process is completed within 2 to 3 days.